Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to share with you another DIY hair mask recipe which will help you achieve longer, thicker and shinier hair. Please continue watching. For this recipe we're going to need eggs, bananas, aloe vera gel, mayonnaise and apple cider vinegar. After harvesting my aloe leaves, I steep them in water for about 20 minutes to get rid of the aloe latex, which can cause skin irritations. We're going to work with the aloe gel, so I'm extracting it by removing the sharp edges first, then cutting upon the leaves and then scooping out the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera hydrates and makes the hair softer. It is very soothing for itchy scalps and it contains enzymes and vitamins that can help strengthen the hair. After extracting the aloe gel, I'll pour that into my blender, then add the next ingredient, which is eggs, and I'll make use of 2 raw eggs. Even though egg protein does not penetrate the hair shaft, as you may have heard, eggs still have other extremely beneficial nutrients for hair, which we'll talk about in a bit. To the aloe and eggs, I'm adding a tablespoon of mayonnaise for softness, pH balance and shine, and I'm also adding 2 bananas. Bananas have the ability to moisturize, strengthen and control frizz. Last but not the least, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of my DIY papaya seeds, pulp and leaves hair growth oil. The next thing to do will be to blend all of these, then go ahead and strain. Banana and aloe vera chunks may get stuck on the hair if not properly strained. As earlier mentioned, egg proteins do not deeply penetrate into the hair shaft. That said, the nutrients, fats and other compounds in eggs can significantly benefit the hair by improving its overall health, shine and manageability. For example, eggs are packed with vitamins and minerals like biotin, vitamins A, E and iron. These nutrients can nourish the scalp, promote healthier hair growth and prevent hair loss. There are a whole lot of other benefits, but let's go put this thing on my hair. Now my hair has not been washed for the past 3 weeks, and so since I'm using this as a pre-poo, we need something stronger to break through the build-up, the oils and the dirt. For that reason, I'm measuring the same amount of apple cider vinegar and the same amount of hot water. I'll put all of that in my spray bottle and I'll use it to and I'll apply it on my hair before going in with this hair mask. If you are asking, yes, you can apply this mask on your hair after shampoo. It's going to work best, but this pre-poo method still works well for me. So I simply start by spraying the apple cider vinegar and warm water mix on each section of my hair. Then I use my fingers to work that in. Since this mixture is warm, it helps to open up my hair cuticles. The apple cider vinegar helps to break through the build-up, the oils and the dirt, so that it helps prepare my hair in general for the product that I'm about to apply. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use just warm water, or you can apply this product after washing your hair. So after spraying the apple cider and warm water mix, I go in with the product and I use my fingers to work that in as well. Then I finger detangle. At this point, I do not go in with a comb or brush to detangle my hair. I only go in with detangling tools after deep conditioning my hair. Immediately you put this product on your hair, you'll notice the softness. Combining all these ingredients together in a mask will help to deep condition, strengthen, moisturize and add shine to the hair. While aloe vera and bananas hydrate the hair, improves elasticity and prevents dryness, mayonnaise helps to improve thickness, revive dull damaged hair, also improves elasticity and enhances healthy hair growth. Mayonnaise also helps support our hair with a good amount of the oil that our hair needs. Notice how dirty my hair really is. Please do not forget to apply the product on your scalp as well. I'll just go ahead and finish this section before we go on to the next step. And again, I am starting by spraying a mixture of apple cider vinegar and hot water on the section, using my fingers to work that in before I go in with the hair mask. Alright, I'm done with the section. And when you're done coating your entire hair with the hair mask, go ahead and cover that with a plastic bag. Leave that for 30 minutes before you go ahead and rinse it. Remember, there is raw eggs in this hair mask, so when you're washing your hair, use cold water. You don't want to cook the eggs in your hair. So after 30 minutes of covering your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap, go ahead and shampoo, condition, and then deep condition your hair. And if you are using this as a mask after shampoo, then remember to condition and deep condition your hair after that. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.